Hello guys, this is Abhishek and in this video I will show you how to map an image. Like guys, you can give multiple links in a particular image. So guys, this video is going to be very important for you if you are a blogger runner or you run a website. So guys, you have to click it image upload. You can upload a image from web or from your computer. So guys, you have to publish after uploading it. As you publish guys, the site will be ready for open. So guys, this blog is opened. You have to right click and you have to click it copy image address, not copy link address. You have to copy image address. Then guys, I do before I click it edit, and you will need of HTML tag. You have to paste after all process. So guys, you have to come image map.net. This is the site. I will give the link of this website in description box and comment box also. So guys, you have to load image from website. Click here and paste the image address you have copied. So guys, the first one is here. You have to choose any shape, like which kind of shape you want to give for clicking. I have chosen rectangle. Then guys, you have to set as you want. Like I have chosen like this. Alright guys, and here you have to give the link of that particular site. I am copying the image address or the YouTube video address, and you have to paste here at link and give here title. What you give here the title, that will show here. I am typing here first one and click it another new area and click it second one radio button. You have to again do same process. This is selected as you want. You can do choose another video, another site. I am choosing another one and clicking at copy link address, and you have to give here and give here what you want. Copy paste what you want to give, that will be shown there. You have to copy lifting the first one and copy and go to the blogger post and select all and paste. You should be very careful when you are working in any particular area. Like if you have written large methods in your blog, then you have to find out that particular image address what you have uploaded. So guys, update it and go to the site and refresh that. Again you can see guys, this image is not clickable, and here you can see first one is written and here copy paste is written. So if you click at the blue side, the first link will be opened, like you can see this, and if you click at another side, like I am clicking at green side, another side will be opened. So hope guys I have explained very well what is mapping of image and how to use it. Thanks a lot guys.